Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this incredible SEAT Alhambra 2 litre TDI SE Lux DSG. Now this vehicle has currently done 32,055 miles. It's finished in the colour night blue metallic and it does come with 2 previous services. It's a very practical, spacious family vehicle. It does sit nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. You do have daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. To the rear you do have a powered tailgate which can be opened using the key fob, making access into the boot very easy. Here in the boot you'll find 1,167 litres of space. It can be increased to 2,297 with the second row down there. With the third row of seats up you do have 267 litres of space, and it's nice and deep so you can fit plenty in there when needed. At the rear here you do have the electronic doors, making rear access much easier. Inside here you'll find your gorgeous black leather interior. There are ISOFIX points on all 3 seats here so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely securing for peace of mind. On the rears of the front seats you also have these pull-out trays which are perfect for children. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Up top you do have a panoramic sunroof that floods the interior with heaps of natural lighting, making it feel even more airy and spacious. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat with full electric adjustment and memory presets so you can adjust with ease. On the steering wheel here you do have some controls for adjusting the infotainment system. To the right you'll find controls for the trip display in the instrument cluster. On this display here you've got access to different driving data such as your average miles to the gallon and average speed. You can also access your audio as well as telephone. You also have your driver alert system, vehicle status and some settings. In the centre of the dashboard you'll find your touchscreen infotainment system. This has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. Alternatively you can connect your own source of audio here in the media section. You've got your USB auxiliary input, Bluetooth connectivity, SD and a CD player. Here you have your Bluetooth telephone menu where you can safely make hands-free phone calls. You also have voice control so you can ask the vehicle to do specific things such as set radio stations or call people. You can see your main menu there. This Alhambra does come with front and rear sensors and a rear camera to make parking super easy. You do have 3 zone climate controls so you can keep the cabin nice and warm or cool. You also have heated front seats to keep you warm and comfortable on those colder days. Down below here you do have your buttons for opening the electronic doors as well as the tailgate, parking sensors, start stop system and traction control, your DSG automatic gear selector there.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.